Crab time.
Editor, insert the Munchies Singaporean Chilli Crab end result. That's what we're trying to achieve. Okay, so boom. Okay? Okay, keep that in mind.
Smell it, Adam.
Ooh.
It's belacan.
What are you smelling?
I don't know, maybe the plastic?
Take out the plastic
Man,
then.
what the fuck? Yo, this smells fucking weird. What's next? We're learning on the fly here, guys. This is very,
Trying
what do you call it?
black stuff.
In the moment?
In the moment.
In the moment, aka not scripted. Not scripted.
Yeah, I just killed the crab. I was, I don't know. I might become vegetarian in the future. Maybe. It was terrible. Yeah. So, I'll clean the crab now.
The
Nice one.
regular one, yeah.
So today we're gonna make a chili crab. And Adam over there, he's like making all the other ingredients, just cutting them up.
Yes.
He's my sous chef.
Would you look at that? Boom. Already done. Partially. I have to wash my hands though. Okay, good luck, Norris. We have no clue what we're doing, by the way.
No!
We have absolutely zero idea.
I'm nervous.
Yeah.
You're gonna apparently peel off the tail, and then
Okay, what the fuck do I chop?
you gotta chop the ginger.
Okay.
Oh my!
How much?
How does he do it on video?
I don't know.
Is this enough ginger?
Yeah, just the part that are peeled.
Holy shit!
And how big should I cut it up? How about we use a food processor?
We thought we had it, and it was actually broken. I think the knife is through the other side.
Hmm?
Is it?
How the hell did they do it so easily? Man, this guy has like very strong hand.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay.
Nice, you have two to practice on.
You also have the
one?
sink.
Oh man, that looks weird. yo, this is some alien shit. Legit, what the fuck is that? Yo, goddamn.
And
What do you think?
shrimp base.
You don't look impressed.
Man, it's wow.
Take out the plastic, man.
How do you open this?
I don't know.
What the fuck? Yo, I can't tell.
Okay.
Like, what is? Oh,
Hold-
is this a cap?
Yeah.
Oh.
Use your teeth.
Oh. Wow, what the fuck?
How does it smell?
Breathe it
I've
in.
smelled this. No. I don't know. This smells weird. It's not like terrible. It's like smells like I don't know, what do you think?
Man, that is disgusting.
Apparently
It smells like
It smells
bad
Bad seafood and fart.
Ew.
it's like
With Marmite.
Ew.
maybe Marmite that went bad.
Yeah. like
Marmite?
this- yeah, old Marmite fart.
Is that the Australian shit you put on bread, right?
I think
I
it might be
think-
British.
I don't know.
I'm not sure.
Whatever. This tastes fucking weird, but it has like a lot of flavor.
You tasted it?
No, I'm not gonna. Or I don't know. Should I? Okay, I'll taste this much.
No.
It's like quite sugary, quite sweet. I don't know. It's like maybe like bad jam with like very seafoody flavor.
So I like kind of cut the crabs in half-ish. I'll kind of sort it out later, but I kind of got like all the insides out, like the
Nice.
yeah.
The things. All right, nice
Now it's
man.
the second dude.
Yeah, that was the second one. Oh man, again.
You got this, King.
Careful of the
You
knife.
got this. Okay, I'm gonna smell the soybean sauce now. I'm having a lot more fun on this side of the kitchen compared to what's
Did
happening
you
over there.
use the knife to open it?
Okay.
I'm gonna use my raw strength. I've gone to the gym. I should be able to.
It's not
don't
Yeah,
don't
use
kill
the knife.
yourself.
It's not gonna work.
Tap gently for ease opening. Shit. Where can I tap gently this?
Okay.
Maybe on your radiator? No, I don't think that's a good idea. Sorry. Where do I tap gently? This?
Oh, this one's
I need to
a lot easier.
Okay, just like pops out of nowhere.
Yeah, we put it in the pot for now.
Yeah. You break it.
Tap gently. What do we do?
And then all this.
Mi-chun Canning Co.
Like, I'm just like
Limited.
standing.
Look.
Like right in front of me.
The bubble that comes down from the mouth.
Oh,
This is some alien shit, man. Damn. God damn.
bubbles.
Ooh.
Ew. Does not look very appealing.
No. So this is your
all-
national
all
dish?
The, all the seafood there, all the seafood lovers, yeah. This is how it looks like behind the kitchen. Oh, crabs are so delicious. Oh, prawns. Yeah, but cleaning them.
And I did, huh,
Yeah.
Chief? But it's okay, you're a real trooper, bro. I couldn't be doing that.
So on the side of the kitchen. How did you taste it already?
What? This?
Yeah.
No, I didn't taste it. I
What
smelled
is it?
It's a
I mean, you
soybean
seafood
paste.
loving that-
Bean sauce.
nasty, you know?
It says bean sauce. Tao Tio. Sauce. I know.
And what's the smell?
Bean sauce.
I'm seeing noise in the background.
This dude's suffering, bro. But it's okay. I don't know. Smell. You smell.
Salty.
Yeah, I don't
Like
know.
soy sauce.
What do you think?
It's like soy sauce, but
I think the other smelled worse. It's like a soy sauce. For sure. The other one smelled shittier. By far. This might save it.
Now I have to.
Pick and choose things to discard.
Surprising how these.
Okay, we blend this, yes?
Yeah, blend the chili paste.
Okay, I'm not sure what I need to press. I hope it's on. I'm not dying here.
Not even
Looks pasty enough. Yeah, it looks
Good color?
Yeah, looks good. Looks good.
Okay.
Oil, then blush.
Okay. So we have olive oil. We're using that. Okay, how much, Chief?
I got. Okay. Yeah. It seems good.
That seems alright. Okay.
Shrimp paste.
Oof. Okay, 1 tablespoon.
Mhm.
Is this for 2 crabs, this recipe?
Yeah. Ooh, yeah. That smell.
You're supposed to fry like this.
Mhm.
Okay, I'm trusting you, Chief. Here we go.
A very strong Southeast Asian smell from the kitchen.
Holy shit. Okay, it's like kind of falling apart.
That's good.
Yeah, Adam, how do you
No.
find the smell, man? Like, as a European.
It's okay. Like honestly, it's not.
Stinky feet.
Yeah, but it has like kind of
It smells like home.
Yeah, it smells like home. In Thailand, Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia.
Am I like supposed to keep mixing it like crazy?
Yeah, just keep mixing
Okay.
it. And then
what's happening
and
next?
then you add the paste.
Okay. All of it?
Yeah.
I should lower the heat, man.
Yeah, should lower the heat as
Do we not burn this? Do we need salt, pepper?
well. No, just salt. Later, no.
How much more?
Yeah, one more there.
Should I put a little water in each of them?
Yeah, we will add water. There'll be water in it. Oh, shit.
Okay, we've got a bit of a problem, Houston. I don't know how we do that. Okay. It's okay.
Yeah, I'm closing the door. It's cold. Ah.
Thank you. Go ahead.
It's a 3-person job, huh? It's Kerry, Adam, and myself making this
It
dish.
didn't work. I don't know what's going on, guys. Like, honestly. Ah! Fucking hell. It just popped. Shit. Yo.
Alright, we got the sauce. It's tasty though. Oh yeah. Damn! Damn!
Okay.
Damn!
Okay.
Try.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is it hot?
Yeah. No, it's not hot.
Here goes nothing.
That's how it's supposed to taste like. Yeah, something like that. Without the
Okay.
crab, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
It's about time.
So
yeah.
okay, we add in the crab
Crabs
sauce.
in. Put it in. Bring it to the boil.
I don't think these all fit, man.
Alright.
So hello everyone. We're here. Let's see. So I'm gonna take out the pieces. I guess I'll start with the heads. Oh my gosh. I cannot because I need to first get these guys out. Like that?
Yeah. Yeah. And then the other one now. And aga bro. Is a bit. I'm gonna ask Kerry. Where are the eggs?
What? Break it?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Notice you do the one hand motion. Woo! Nice. Man, that was beautiful, dude. Man, nice, man. Go again. Go again. This gives it the velvety texture, apparently. I guess we made it.
Oh, nice. It's done.
Alright, now you gotta drizzle it on the crab.
Drizzle it on top.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Let me make sure this is all going around.
Wow.
Okay. I don't want to drizzle it. I'm gonna like scoop it.
Yeah.
Oh shit! It's off.
Yeah.
It's off.
The crab move again, or?
Yeah, it did actually.
No, it didn't.
It did?
When?
I swear.
Well, here.
Like just now when we were like,
So,
yeah.
man, they came back from the dead. This is good.
Yeah.
Does that look done? Norris, does that look done?
Yeah, they're just done, yeah.
Can you touch it?
Woo! Yep. Oh man, soft bread. Look at that. Look at that. Oh,
Water, cold water.
Man,
Can I use this?
Use
phone?
use a chopstick.
Can I use it? No?
Use chopsticks.
Ooh, okay, let me try. This is fun.
Alright, bro. Chinese style.
Okay, I'm gonna do my best.
That's my name on the.
Okay, here we go. So this. Oh wow, what the fuck?
My general name as well.
We have no clue. We didn't read the packaging. It's okay. Kerry, what do you think? Does it look good?
Soft.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. We're making little Jenga thing. Making it look presentable.
That's good.
I think it's happening. Ooh. Okay. All on top. All around.
Yeah, all around.
Okay. I don't know, scared.
Excited?
Are you scared?
Yeah, I don't know.
Right, you scared of spice?
Kind of but I tasted it's not too bad.
Has the control of it.
But just this whole, like,
I was also loading me in.
armor debacle going on. I don't know. It looks kind of,
I guess we just go eat for now.
I don't know. I don't know how to break it apart, how to get to it, you know? But whatever. I'm gonna try one of these.
I'm gonna try that
What
myself.
the fuck is this?
It's like a bun bread.
Oh.
I was
Okay, it's like a dough. It's fine. A little gooey. I think I've eaten shit like that before. Okay. So how do we do this?
Holy sugar.
I'm gonna take this guy.
Wow. That looks amazing.
What the fuck? Yo, guys, I'm like super lost in this. I don't know.
Let's see.
I don't know, guys. This process is pretty.
It's gonna be messy, but it's gonna be fun. Like Kerry.
Mm-hmm. Break the joint. Suck it.
Yeah, get into it. Hello there. I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it with my friends. It was an interesting experience making chili crab. It was my first time making it. I had no clue what I was doing, and my friends either. So it was an experience, and we didn't know that the crab was still alive. We thought it was already dead when we bought it from the fishmonger in the Saturday market. However, after freezing it and like putting it in the microwave to defrost it, we found out that it was actually alive. So boy, that crab went through pretty tough life, I think. Yeah, and I had to end its life with stabbing it. So it was an experience that I don't know if I will do it again. But yeah, a moment of silence for that. And I personally was rather busy this entire year with school, and also now I have more time to make more videos in the future. I'll catch you guys soon.